Hello there, my name is Icholia, and in this video I want to show you the website that I've created. And this website I used Adobe XD to create it. So you do first what you call UI and UX design. So this is a website for my friend. He's based in Kigali, Rwanda. So this friend of mine contacted me and he told me that I should create for him a website for a security company. And this guy offers, these are the services that the guy offers. He offers CCTV system installation and configuration, and also repair, and then access control, intruder alarm, automated gates, fire detection, alarm automation, etc. Besides that, this friend of mine also does custom software design. Okay, so this is what I came up with it. So let me just scroll down so that you can see what is it. Okay, so this is the hero, how it looks, and then this is another part who they are. Okay, and then we have this part. So this is now the list of the items or the services that this guy offers. You can see he has automated gates, home building and automation, etc, etc. So also it does mobile application development, and then business management, softwares like CRM, HR, payroll, post, invoicing and finance, etc. Okay, he has also proprietary security platforms like we have whitelisting, labeling, EPR, we have what we call DMSON. Also does all those things. And then this is the specialities, the application of the softwares this guy uses. We have Python, we have Flutter, we have MySQL, Mongo, we have AWS, etc. And then this is how the website look like. So later on, this website, we are going to convert this website into HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or also Tailwind. If he accepts that, then I'm going to convert this one into HTML, CSS, Tailwind or JavaScript. Okay, also I have another option. I can convert this website into CMS, like maybe WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Webflow, etc, etc. But I'm going to advise him we convert it into one of the CMS so that it can be easy for him to update, because I'll be busy. I handle some other things. So okay, if he accept me to convert this one into CMS, I'll convert it into CMS. But if he says he wants into HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Tailwind, I'm going to convert it also to that. So guys, my name is Icholia, and if you need a website like this one or any other business, I am ready to design it for you. I'll put my number on the description and my email, so you just contact me and then we will create your project. Okay, thank you. Good day.